Judicial land title transfer question. What is a judicial land title transfer? Answer. A judicial land title transfer is a legal process where a court oversees the transfer of ownership of a property. This process is typically required when there are complications or disputes surrounding the transfer, such as the deceased owner did not leave a will. If there is no will, the court will determine the legal heirs and how the property should be divided among them. Heirs cannot agree on the division of the property. If the heirs disagree on how the property should be divided, the court will step in to resolve the dispute and determine the rightful ownership. There are outstanding debts or liens. If the property has unpaid debts or liens, the court will ensure these are addressed before transferring ownership. There are disputes over ownership. If there are multiple claimants to the property, the court will investigate and determine the rightful owner. Steps involved in a judicial land title transfer. Filing a petition. The interested party, usually an heir or claimant, files a petition with the court, outlining the reasons for the transfer and the desired outcome. Court proceedings. The court will hold hearings, review evidence, and hear arguments from all parties involved. Issuing an order. If the court finds the transfer to be justified, it will issue an order authorizing the transfer of ownership. Registration with the Registry of Deeds. The order from the court is then presented to the Registry of Deeds, who will update the land title to reflect the new owner. Advantages of a judicial land title transfer. Legal certainty. It provides a legally binding and definitive resolution to any disputes or complications. Protection of rights. It ensures that all parties involved have their rights protected and that the transfer is conducted fairly. Clear ownership. It establishes clear and undisputed ownership of the property. Disadvantages of a judicial land title transfer. Time-consuming. The process can take a considerable amount of time, as it involves court hearings and legal procedures. Costly. Legal fees, court fees, and other expenses can be significant. Complex. The process can be complex and require the assistance of a lawyer to navigate the legal procedures. Alternatives to judicial transfer. Extrajudicial settlement. If the heirs agree on the division of the property and there are no outstanding debts, they can settle the estate through an extrajudicial agreement. This is a faster and less expensive option.